shenanigans. Oh, shenanigans. Jenga!
Oh yeah, that's the oil pump.
Shit. The oil pump.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright, let's see what we got here.
Lots of bits and pieces.
Yeah, the outer race, the gear.
Take a look up in there and see what's going on. Got an 8.
Nice.
Guess we won't really be able to tell the stuff on the way because it's all the store.
Yeah. So the rod is easily taking out the oil pump.
Frank's still good, dude.
Sweet!
Reuse it.
Do it.
Oh shit.
Make sure it's nice and balanced.
Your chain just broke apart.
It's off the chain.
Oh, actually, this is fucked up.
What?
The fitting.
What?
The threads on that are destroyed. They're smashed.
Really?
So like I could probably get it out, but it definitely wouldn't go back in the way that it should on the other one. And I can see. I'll probably be able to put it closer to this front edge for this oil pump.
Oh, why were you hoping to reuse that?
Well, yeah, I was going to use that for the oil return, but I'll probably just cut that off and weld it on with just a flat, like that way it doesn't protrude in here, because then it would be fine.
What's the rod look like on that?
No movie. No movie.